Eurochambres represents the wishes of 20 million businesses in Europe that through the Chambers of Commerce raises their voice in Brussels, trying to influence the economic decision-making process, favoring the European business community.
Today you have already met with Slovenian Finance Minister Mr. Janez Šušteršič. What was the main topic of your talks?
In a time where the economic crisis is touching every single member state, of course the discussion was the financial stability and the decisions that the Slovenian government takes coherently with the European Union. Therefore, the financial sector stability and the specific case of Slovenia has been one of the discussion, as well as the investment policy in Europe with foreign capitals coming from countries abroad has been quite a discussion with the minister. Unless we make policies that will support our businesses to innovate their product and services, we risk to enter a competition on cost factors that we will never win with emerging countries. Therefore, our appeal is really to support all policies that will try to incentivize businesses to go for a better innovation process.
Today you also spoke about new guarantee funds. Can you tell us something more about this project?
Well, one suggestion that we had made, and happily enough the European institutions have retained, is to support with public European money the guarantee and collaterals request from the financial sector to individual businesses. We know that businesses are, especially the small businesses, are striving in getting access to finance in the European countries, also because the banks are trying to cover the risk through the request of collaterals. A European guarantee fund could help in releasing guarantee to financial institutions that therefore could be willing to lend money to individual small business.